Something else that you can use to quickly enter the color of your warp threads or your picks is this. Here at warp colors you can use this, and the same is here for threading colors, but I will show you this on the warp colors. Here you see a palette, and you can scroll down this palette and say, for instance, that you want to use this color. Well, let's use another one. Let's use this one. You can see here what happens with your warp colors. If you click now on OK, you see that everything changes to this chosen green. You can also use this. You see here we have chosen now all threads, but if you click down on this arrow you can choose for A, B. That means that you can now choose a color in the B palette, and well, let's use this one. And if you click on OK, you see a preview of your warp here, and if you click on OK, you can see this changing here. And there are other combinations that you can make. You can use AABB, so you have 2 times color A, 2 times color B, 2 times A and 2 times B. And if you do that, you can change it. You see it change again. Well, let's if you choose this one, you see ABA, ABA. You have ABBA, which is somehow similar to this one, but just your first starting thread is now A, and then BB, AA, BB. Well, you can use these also, these combinations, and well, that's a very easy way to fill up your warp and your threading very quickly.